Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana 45.57, we're climbing higher. Yeah, already mentioned in the previous video that based on this wave count, I would expect further price increases. I showed you also this inverse head and shoulders on the chart, out of which we broke actually to the upside. Did mention in previous videos there are a lot of coins that are currently forming the same pattern. Sorry, it's a bit of an ugly one now. You can see that it was one shoulder here, but inverse head and shoulders, the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder with a breakout point. Matic broke out, made a massive price increase. Polkadot, I believe, is currently doing it. Here Solana already broke out, is currently on its way higher. So we'll see how sustainable that is. But what is always useful is, especially if you see a breakout like that and then you come down and touch the trend line again, basically a retest of the same. That is, especially in the current environment, what I would always wait for personally. And no financial advice, of course. Yeah, second update for today, because we're moving in the expected direction. Just want to make you aware before we're approaching here another breakout point. Is usually I try to make you aware of things before they happen. And here, obviously down there, and you need to understand that, since we've come down and could count 5 waves, we've been tracking here a bullish scenario. Yeah, we always need to be careful about that until we break above certain levels, because as long as you are in such a zone, in such a selling zone, things are far away from being clear. Now, what you can see here now, we fulfilled this so far, or we are fulfilling it. We are not out of the woods yet, and I've always highlighted this important level 48, 41. This is a key level. It's the previous wave 4 high. Usually you can expect resistance when you approach a previous wave 4 high. Now, there could be a wave 4 high where we just bounce off and will come down again. But if we get above this level, retest it from above, that could fuel a rally, in my opinion, to $55, $56. That wave 3 target, we can just put that target again on the screen. That is the green wave 3, where we started the wave 1 down here at the wave Y low. Moved up here to around about $40, came down again, and you can see the this target is the 2.618 extension. Yeah, in this case, because we have here an extended wave. So the 2.618 extension around $56. That is how I would see here the target for the green wave 3, and we're working currently our way towards it. We are holding also above this trend line, which is important as well. As mentioned in the previous videos, just as long as you are above a trend line, just ride the trend, and we can expect further rising prices, especially as this level was broken, this highly relevant resistance zone that I mentioned as well, around that wave B here. And we broke it again, we retested from above, and then we moved higher. And yeah, of course, there is still risk for a fake out. Absolutely, we have to expect it, especially until we break above 48, 41. I think a move above that 48, 41 level will spark a larger rally, in my opinion, yeah. And then the next main resistance level is the $57, $58 level here. That, obviously, I've talked about the target for the wave 3. That's probably directly below this next key level here, that wave 4 high, around the $58 to $60 zone. That is the next higher level wave 4. Again, moving above that level will again bring much more confidence back into a bull run. And then we would still be very early days. Bear in mind that a few months ago, nobody believed Solana would hit $55 anyway. It was always one of the targets, the $55 level. Now that we'd get down to 30 was added later, but still all within the realm of possibilities. And then in a breakout scenario would then take these other levels, 122, 143. But that is future. Yeah, that's the future. For now, we are following the path, and we can adhere and follow the bullish wave count until we go below the wave 2 low here. That would invalidate this particular wave count at $38. So ideally that level is holding. Even more important than that level will be here the 31.68 level. As long as they are holding, we can focus on higher levels. Ideally, we don't drop below $40 anymore. That would be good, because then you can hold this previous wave 1 high. All right, and that's my view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.